Number 1, convert each terminating decimal into a fraction in its simplest form. 0.4 is 4 tenths, because it's in the tenths place. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. This is 16 hundredths, because the 6 is in the hundredths place. You can divide by 4, that would give you 4, and 4 quarters fit into 100. And 25 isn't even, and it won't simplify any more than that. 1C. This is 625 over 1,000, because the 5 is in the thousandths place. We can divide by 5, which would give us 200 and 125 on the top. We can divide by 5 again. 5 sets of 25 go in there, and 200 divided by 5 is 40. And then split that into 5. 5 times 5 makes 25, and 8 times 5 makes 40. This one we have 0.08. That is 8 hundredths, because the 8 is in the hundredths place. We can divide by 4, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. And 1E. 0.012. That is in the thousandths place. So we have 12 over 1,000. Divide by 2, that'd be 6 and 500. Divide by 2 again, we have 3 and 250. A. We are converting each fraction into a mixed number or decimal using equivalent fractions. 4/5. We are going to multiply by 2, because that gives us 8 tenths, and 8 tenths would be 0.8, because it's in the tenths place. B, we have 3 over 40. If we times that by 5, 4 times 5 is 20, so that gives us 215 on the top. And then we can multiply by 5 again. And then 200 times 5 is 1,000. And 15 times 5 would be 75. So 75 over 1,000 would be a 75 in the thousandths place. So thousandths, hundredths, tenths. Eight over 200. If we times 200 by 5, that gives us 1,000. And 8 times 5 is 40. Then we could reduce. That gives us 4 over 100. So a 4 goes in the hundredths place. Tenths, hundredths. And 2D. We have 3 and 5 sixteenths. If I multiply by 5 and by 5, that would give me 3 and 25 over 80. Oops. Then we are going to times by 5 again, just for the fraction piece. So 80 times 5 is 400. Not 4,400. And 25 times 5 is 125. Then we can times by 5 another time. And that'll give us 3 and 625 over 2,000. And then times that by 5 one more time. And that is 3 over 10,000. And 625 times 5 is 3,125. So this is 3. This will be tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths place.